but I knew I hadn't imagined her. The memory of our conversation was too vivid, too real. The way she laughed at my lame jokes, the slight crinkle around her eyes when she smiled. These weren't things you could invent. Months passed, and slowly life began to return to normal, or at least a new kind of normal. I still thought about Sarah every day, but the intensity of my search faded. I had to accept that I might never know what happened that rainy night. And then, exactly 1 year later, it happened again. I was driving home from work. Another late night, another rainstorm. As I stopped at a red light, I glanced over at the passenger seat out of habit. My heart nearly stopped. Sarah